Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will share with you how to print business card from Canva. For example guys, I have this card and if I want to print this card on Canva, the card have two faces guys, or two slide, this one and this one. If you want to print, click this option share, and after that what you have to do, click download and click file type, select PDF print and just click download. Color, choose RGB color, this is best for digital use. What you have to do guys, from here just click download and wait to loading this page. As you can see here, I open this PDF guys. This is, as you can see, I printed successfully. If you are printed with your digital implement, and just click implement from here guys, as you can see here, and choose the option from here and you will click print. So guys, this is how you can do. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget subscribe and like and share this video for more content.